to start by removing this door panel, and for me it's already broken up top, but typically you'd want to stick a trim tool in here and just pop it open and then work your way down. For me, a lot of the clips are actually already broken off, but there we go. This side's already free. Okay, door panel's off. At this point, you can see your check strap here. What you want to do to take this out is actually just close the door. And as you close the door, you can see it pops out of this pin here. And once you get to a point where it's completely out, you just pull it back like that, hold it, and open the door again. There you go. It's removed. Now we just have to unbolt it from the body. With a 13mm socket, let's go ahead and unbolt these two nuts that hold the check strap onto the door, break them free, and then most likely you can just take them off by hand. Pull this off, slide it out of the door, and there you have it. Stick it right through the door here, make sure it goes on the correct side of that pin, and then line it up. Put the two mounting nuts on, and we'll make sure that it is nice and snug. Let's tighten this up. Okay, now to reattach it into the door, do the same thing, just the other way around. So go ahead and close the door. This is why I said make sure it's on the correct side, because if it's over here, it's never going to hook on. The hook goes that way. So go ahead and close the door, and it will actually automatically pop on once it gets to that point. One more. There we go. And just go ahead and open your door. Let's put the door panel back on, line it up with all the push clips, and just tap it on.